That is lit. Yo. That's lit. Isn't that lit?
Oh my god,
That's lit. I know, right?
I can't go what?
I know.
The car's like, no, it made the car go off. Or someone just touched the car leg. And then a GTR Skyline just comes up behind.
That was lit.
That's the 1,000 horsepower one.
That was lit.
Oh wait. Oh wait. Johnny, wait. Come on.
Come on then.
Come on.
That is lit. Let's go. Look at that. I'm definitely recording the Lambo when it gets here. I'm literally still recording for 1 minute 11 seconds. I've recorded for. Woo! I love the colour of that car. I might upload this to my YouTube channel. This is lit. I'm uploading this to my YouTube channel because this is lit. Oh, baby. Say hi, Johnny. Little savage, isn't ya? Yeah. Little savage. Yeah, clearly. I swear, if it shows us that engine, oi, I want to show you, oi.
I want to ask who owns it out of the because there's nobody in the car and it just pulled up. No way they got out of the car really fast. I can steal this car, I know how to open this car.
Don't, man. That's lit. The inside of that, man. That's lit. Oh, you can't see through there. That's lit, man. That's sick. Seriously, look at these wheels though. Look at them wheels.
Miss my wheels.